Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about BO and CO order, okay, and how to use them and when to use BO or when to use CO. So I'll be teaching you with the examples also, okay. So before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be helpful for your trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also, you can visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video to know more about additional services what I provide. Okay, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course, so all the details have been mentioned here. And also here you can see earning proof by my client after taking the course and feedback from my client after taking the course. Okay, so 7 of my clients has won the zerodha 60 days challenge after taking my course, so all the details have been mentioned here. Okay, you can see all this proof has been put up in the blogspot, and also you can see a lot of ledger proof how consistently my clients are earning after taking my course. Okay, so you can click on it and watch all of these things. Okay, so these are all the proofs. So this is a zerodha 60 days challenge certificate won by my clients. Okay, and also there are a lot of ledger proofs also here. Okay, you can click on them and watch all of the ledger proof. Okay, and you can see how consistently my clients are earning with the minimum capital of 10 to 50,000. Okay, so all my clients are earning consistently after taking my course. You can see this. Okay, all the ledger proof has been mentioned here. So if you are interested to earn like this consistently, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and take the course and earn consistently like this. And the course price is very reasonable price, and also it's less priced, so anyone can afford it. If you're new to a market or if you're unable to make money constantly in the market, so you can join us and we will guide you how to make money constantly in the market. Okay, you can join our profitable team and we will guide you everything. Okay, so here is all the proof, guys. Here is all the screenshot and all the certificates and also all the ledger screenshot how constantly my clients are earning. And also we have feedback from my client after taking the course, so even that has been mentioned here. So even all the message screenshot have been put, so you can go inside it and see how my clients are earning after taking my course and how they are feeling. Okay, so all the screenshot have been mentioned here. Okay, you can just go inside it and check all the screenshot. Okay, so here is a screenshot of a person who recovered almost 1 lakh rupees loss, okay, after taking my course within a 2 or 3 months. So he has recovered it also, and you can see how constantly even the beginners also they take the course at starting and they are earning constantly in the market. So you can check all of this thing, guys. So if you're interested, you can definitely join us and earn consistently. Okay, as I said, the course price is also very reasonably priced, and even a new beginner can take the course and get a benefit out of this. And also if you're unable to make money constantly in the market, so you can join us and make an use of it. Okay, so by being said that, I'll be coming to today's topic, that is when to use CO or BO. Okay, so many people are asking, guys, what is the difference between BO and CO, and I know many of you people know this. Now I'll be teaching you, like I'll be telling you my personal experience, like how I use BO and CO. Okay, so guys, firstly coming to the BO. So BO is very useful when compared to CO in one way. Okay, so as I said, I'll be telling you the example also. So BO BO means bracket order. So in a bracket order, you can place your enterprise, stop loss and target. That means you can place all your 3 orders, that is entry, your profit booking and also the stop loss. Just 3 things can be placed in at a time in bracket order. Okay, in the cover order you can't do that. In cover order, what you can place is your entry price and the stop loss price. That's it, you can place. And for exiting, you should be in your terminal and exit it manually. So this is a difference between BO and CO. In BO and CO you get the same margin. Okay, but the thing in the BO is you can place all your 3 orders, that is entry, exit and the stop loss. But in CO you can place only your entry and the stop loss. So this is the main difference between BO and CO. So how I use BO is, for example, if I'm trading any breakout strategy, means, for example, let's say here is Vedanta. Okay, so this is a Vedanta chart. So let me take this candle for example. So this candle, let's assume I want to sell below this candle low, that is now the low of this candle is 318.35. so if I want to sell below this candle low, that is 300.35, so what I'll do is I'll go with a bracket order and place it. So as you know, in the bracket order now we have stop loss bracket order, so I'll just place that. So I'll place it. Okay, so I'll place the entry, that is sell below 318.35, and also I'll place my target and the stop loss. So and then I'll go out of my trading terminal. So that will happen automatically. That is, it will enter, and whatever target or stop loss I'll keep, it will be in that, and if it is the target, it will cancel the stop loss. If it is the stop loss, it will cancel the target order. So that's simple. That's how the bracket order works. Okay, so for other example, if I'm trading any of this, for example any crossover strategy, so what I do is I look for the crossover to happen. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, for example, if a crossover is happening and you are sitting in front of the terminal always, so you have to buy the stock as soon as it's crossing over or something. So then what one can do is then go to cover order. In cover order, the price will be executed in the market itself. So as you can see, you can enter in the current market price and place the stop loss order. So cover order is the person who is sitting always in front of a trading terminal or a computer and trading, and also for the person who is using an technical strategy, like as soon as the crossover come, if they want to buy, or as soon as the crossover if they want to sell, so they can use this cover order. So this is the simple example. Okay, what I trying to tell you guys. So as I said you, this is the main difference, guys. In cover order, you can only place entry and the stop loss, and exit should be done manually. But in the bracket order, you can place everything. You can code everything: your entry, exit, and stop loss. So all these three, and according to me, bracket order is best, and it's stress free and it's simple. So this is what I want to tell you in this video, guys. Okay, and also go inside my channel and watch all the videos. It may be well for trading purpose. And also, if you want to earn consistently how we are earning, you can definitely join us and I'll teach you. Also, you can go inside my channel and see all the videos. Every day I update how much profit you are making with the screenshot. So you can go inside it and watch all of these things. If you are unable to make profit daily, or if you are new to your market, you can definitely join us and I'll teach you how to make money consistently in the market as we are seeing in my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.